So here's an example of the elasticity of demand. So we want to calculate what happens when we change the price and the quantity combination along a demand curve. So the equation for elasticity of demand is equal to the percentage change in quantity that's being driven by a percentage change in price. Well, this is equal to the percentage change in quantity is Q2 minus Q1 over Q1 divided by the change in price, P2 minus P1 divided by P1. So rather than look at what happens when we go from point A to point B, let's in this case look at to see what happens when we go from B to A. So now this is going to be point 1 and this is now going to be point 2. And so our elasticity of demand is equal to, we have Q2 minus Q1, 75 minus 150, divided by Q1, again, our point 1 is B, divided by 150, divided by P2, which is 50, minus 25, divided by P1, which is 25. So here we'll get 75 over 150, 25 over 25. So we have 1/2 divided by 1. So what this tells us is that if the price goes up by a percent, 1, the resulting percentage change in quantity is 1/2. Or in this case, our elasticity of demand is equal to 0.5. Now notice here is this should have a negative and that should have a negative. But in this book we're dropping all of that, so the elasticity of demand we'll say is just 0.5. And the interpretation of that is that a percentage change in price will lead to a 0.5% change in quantity. So if price goes up by 10%, quantity will go down by only 5%. And that's our interpretation of the elasticity of demand.